Classic fruit pie. Let's celebrate this spring with the delicious and classic fruit tart. Creamy pudding filling surrounded by a crisp, sweet almond pastry shell and lots of beautiful fruit. You will love the colors, texture and refreshing taste.
Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Let's make pie crust. In a clean bowl, sift 125 grams of cake flour. You can easily make cake flour at home. I have written in details in my website. The written recipe link is given in the description box. Also, you can visit my website www.bakewithayesha.com. 50 grams of powdered sugar and 12 grams ground almonds. Take some almonds and grind these in blender. Sift all together so there are no lumps. Now grind these dry ingredients in a blender. Add 100 grams of chilled unsalted butter in blender. The butter should be cold enough. And blend it until the rough dough is formed. When the butter is mixed well, add 1 egg yolk in blender and mix until you get a smooth dough. Take out the dough in a bowl. You can see a nice smooth dough. Spread it on a plastic wrap and give it a round shape. Cover this dough by lightly pressing the plastic to prevent a skin from forming. Chill it in refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Let's prepare almond cream or frangipane. Take 73 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature. The butter should be soft enough. Press the butter with spatula and then add 73 grams of powdered sugar in butter. Mix all together with spatula until a smooth and silky, creamy texture is made. You can see sugar is mixed very well. Now add 73 grams of ground almond powder in the butter mixture and mix well. Add 2 whole eggs in the batter and whisk with hand whisk until becomes smooth. Add in 10 grams of cake flour or all-purpose flour and mix it well. Pour this almond cream or frangipane in a piping bag and put in the fridge. Meanwhile, prepare the pastry tray. This is 20 cm pastry tray. Grease it with butter and set aside. Take out the dough from refrigerator and roll the dough out between two sheets of lightly floured parchment paper. Roll it 2 inches more than the size of pastry tray. Now peel off the wrapping layer and turn the dough in a greased pie dish without stretching. Might possible it will tear apart, but don't worry. You can make a shape with hands by gently pressing the dough. With a small sharp knife, cut the dough edges and make it smooth. Prick the dough with a fork and put in fridge for 30 minutes. Now pipe the almond cream or frangipane on the crust of pastry. Smooth it with spatula and bake for 40 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade in a preheated oven. Let's prepare pastry cream. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of full fat milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half cup sugar, 1/4 cup cake flour or all-purpose flour, and 3 egg yolks. Whisk it until well combined. You can add yellow food color, it's all optional. When it is mixed, turn on the flame and cook on medium heat until it thickens. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes. At the end, add 2 tablespoons of butter and turn off the flame. The butter is mixed with the heat. Take out the pastry crust from the oven and pour the cream on the tart and level the surface with spatula. Let it cool for 4 to 5 hours. After 5 hours, let's decorate it with fruits. Here I have some seasonal fruits for topping like strawberries, peaches, kiwi, some apricots, some blueberries and currants. Now brush the fruits with sugar syrup and dust some sugar on it. You will love my fruit tart recipe. Enjoy!